Morning, guys. Jamaican are the best TV. I would just have a jump right in the news. Yeah, man. I couldn't say what I want, what I want.
All right, so we got Beanie Man, big up yourself, me love you. Cause remember, like, I can't lie. I'd rather not say shit. I'm the king of dancehall, but Bounty is the king of artists. Think about it. This man made so many people. If you know the Bible, he's like Abraham. Because remember, Abraham created
It's the beginning. Yeah, it's the beginning.
Islam and Judaism. Wow. That's why they call it
He's in
Abrahamic
everybody's
religion.
Bible.
Yeah. Think about it.
That's what Bounty Killer.
Yeah, Bounty Killer is father Abraham, bro. I'm telling you. Bro. Yo, you know what? Give me a clap for Bounty Killer. I'm impressed with that. Bounty Killer. I'm telling you. So, all right. So we got Beanie Man, big up yourself. Me love you. Cause remember, like, I can't lie. I'd rather not say shit. So, like I said, Bounty, Beanie, Buju, Ninja Man, Kartel, that's the top 5 for me.
I love that he puts himself in the corner.
That's the top 5.
He said, these for, and me.
And me, I can't let, why would I leave me out?
Oh, hi, good night.
Morning,
Good night, how
people.
are you?
And guess what?
I'm okay, what's up?
Welcome back to Jamaican at the best TV. Right now, we are some
So, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm a good man.
Are you in the UK or the USA?
Yeah, Jamaica.
No, I'm in Jamaica.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Well,
Bailey man go mind your youth, that's all.
stop, stop. Because this is a serious conversation. And Blamden, sit down and come to the front of the class. Okay? You need to stop this disorderly conduct in front of the students. Anyway, so Desha, blessings, and
What's up? I did meet you one time already, one a long time though.
I did?
Yeah, when you come at some fest. Remember that time though?
Oh, I don't be, yes, of course. That was my only time, I think, performing, right? You look like your dad. You're beautiful. And I just want to tell you this. Who is that?
Big suck out queenie, don't use up a great cat. Or suck your mama and send a request. Big pussy queenie. Or suck your
Brandon,
mama.
why are you cursing at Queenie?
Yeah, so you good though.
Anyway, so Desha, I was trying to do my calm because I wanted to be talking slow because I just smoked and I was in my calm. But I hate when a nigga just scream and fuck up your high, and when after you done told a nigga you trying to be on your, you know what I'm saying?
Sorry. That's a Nicky, sorry man. I just show him a friend request and he like that for the internet love Claude too much. So I have to tell him, but sorry, me not do it again. Alright, me done for sure. Alright, me done. Alright,
Yeah, this is important.
Alright, me done now. Sorry.
All right. So, Desha, first of all, I just want to say thank you for your time to even talk to me. I feel first of all, I know that you dance. That's number one. Shout out because you dope. You're dope at what you do, and you did what needed to be done. You went out there and you did something. You made a name for yourself. So I want to just applaud you for that. First of all, okay?
Thank you.
So here's the thing. I don't know if you are old enough yet for this to have ever happened to you, but you know what happens with every celebrity, every famous person that I've ever met in my entire life. Somebody at one point in their family goes, or family, or let's say a friend or something, right? Goes to like the media, all right? And they'll say stuff like, okay, Buckstar said Beanie dissed the doubles. Buckstar, we're not talking about doubles right now. You come on the other side of Blam Dam, sir. Okay? Next nonsense, you will get blocked. Thank you. All right. Anyway. But here's the thing. You know what I always notice? It's difficult for people to look at celebrities as anything other than a bank sometimes. Sometimes, especially people that you're close to, they don't realize every single thing that has to be done. They don't see the paying of the staff and the paying of everyone's bills. And, they don't see that. Excuse me, Nick Nack said yawn, so I'm going to block you, ugly. I chat about yawn. Go yawn under my bumper clot pussy. Anyway, so, but this is what I wanted to tell you. At one point or another, everyone with a celebrity for a family member, they might
Really always happen for real. It always happen for real. Somebody always come out and talk.
Yeah, but the thing is, I don't think people that's not the artist or the main breadwinner in the family, I don't think they ever really notice how much money gets spent. What they only see or think about how much money the person is making, or how much a person made for a show, or how much, based off the internet, right?
Yeah.
And I hate to see people come out and speak about somebody that I know they love. I know you love your dad. You know what I'm saying? I know your dad loves you. I think that nobody understands, number one, all the time that goes into this, as well as how many people have to get paid. So when somebody gets a lump sum of money, it's easy. I mean, like, literally, I remember getting my first lump sum of money. I bought all of my best friends a car, like a Range Rover, a BMW, a Benz, and what was the fourth? And a Range Rover. 2 Range Rovers, a BMW, and a Benz, right?
Mm-hmm.
Do you know when it was time for one particular person to re-up after years of having a car you didn't pay for, after having your insurance paid for, all that, when the first time I was not able to say yes, it was like I never said yes before to anything. It was like...
But for you, that's different. It's different because you actually did something, So that's really, that's really them, like, that's really that, what you would have said, no, them, watch your pocket then, you see me?
Mm-hmm.
Like, and that's not good, but when
what? Blame them.
When you can say, alright, alright, you did this, so whatever them come say, them a pussy. You get what I say? But me can't say, you did. Like, you get what I say? So it's kind of different, you see me? And nobody around can say, like, everybody can just say one thing about one person. You know what I mean?
Okay, but in terms of you as his daughter, right? See, because other people can say stuff.
And I'm his biggest supporter, by the way.
But I'm glad you know where I'm going. So other people saying stuff is different from you saying something, because that is a very hurtful thing to do. Especially years old, 6 years old. You haven't seen all of the money that he has paid for bills.
I used to work at the office like years ago.
I'm talking about when you was a baby. When you was a baby, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 years old. You don't know what bills this man was paying. And someone said, Beanie, if you do it better. You can't tell somebody to do nothing better. That means I could come and tell you right now in your life, you could do it better. Everybody could do everything better. The point is, a lot of people forget what you did do. And then with children, a lot of them, they were too young to remember. So, in addition, if he has a bunch, other children that he has to take care of, he's not out here making, dancehall artists, they're not making pop artists money. So just because a person continues to, have a smile on their face, it doesn't mean that they might not be stressed at times to figure out how they're going to make their next check.
Yeah, I get what you say, but I've been there through everything, like all of the hurt, all of the emotions, like the ups, the downs. You get what I say? Always that I always have your back emotionally. It's in every way, you get me? Like never yet.
That shop said, get to the point, Nicky. Get this block, bitch. Get the fuck off of here. Get to what point? Who in a rush? You? I'm in a rush. Pass me the keys to my truck, bitch. Now you blocked, ho. I'm sorry, boo. Go ahead.
Yeah. So, like, me know where, like, over the years, me know where you go through. Like, me know everybody will come around, everybody will gone. Like, me know, because, I'm his first child. You get what I say? So,
yeah.
Me know every single thing. Like, literally, me know all of the ups, all of the downs. Me know who come and receive and be ungrateful. Me see people where him no know out of nowhere just come and get and receive and go about them business and then come diss him up. You get what I say? I would stay emotionally for you. You get what I say? Like, me never get really, like, me not pressure him for nothing. First of all, I come out and bust myself as a dancer. My first initial state becoming a dancer was to dance with him because, he's so big and, me just that would look good for a father and daughter do. Him literally ignore that and then me go out there and...
Oh, you wasn't dancing with him?
No. I was dancing with ravas. I wasn't dancing with him. I asked him to dance with him and he ignored me. Him shut it down. Him say I'm gonna bring somebody else. And then I go out there now, bust myself, and then like after that, after I go out there and bust myself, him start literally have problems with the people them who actually helped me to become a successful dancer. So it's like in every it's like you'd say he's a narcissist then.
But Desha, that's your dad, and he's done a lot for you. So to go on the internet, it should be the last and final resort. Like,
Yeah, I get what you say, but to be honest, like, because to be honest, you'd have to then in my shoes to understand why my God is so. You get what I say? Because they wouldn't know like where exactly where to stem from or where to come from. I really and truly, I kind of just don't want him to do my siblings them the same way like him do me. I want it to be better. You get what I say?
And I understand because I know
honestly,
siblings love.
Honestly, I did try to talk to him and him hung up my phone and all of that, and then he make him hung up my phone or whatever, and then just a bag of something. I try to reach out to him and he never try to contact me or nothing. So
okay, so this is what I wanted to say about that part. I think this is a prime example of people not necessarily counting the actual cash as things, or people only counting money as things that is done for them. So for instance, if you went on the dancing scene and you made a name for yourself, girl, you look just like your father. Do you think that some of them doors weren't kicked down just because Beanie is your dad?
yeah, that's true. But I didn't put myself out there as Beanie Man's daughter.
You
like
don't have to.
A lot of people knew that. A lot of people knew that after the fact. Like even when, like, alright, what am I say now? When I get famous, people start acknowledge say, oh, whatever. So I never did really go out there as Beanie Man daughter. But yeah, it did pave the way.
Shit, them ban our life. Like TikTok brand alive, man, Nicky.